Hello, this is Zubair. I come from Shirazganj. Actually, I come from when I scrolled my Facebook and I saw English Fantasy's video and I impressed. That's why I come here. It's my dream project. I learned English. I go abroad for higher education. English Fantasy is the best learning school in our the Dhaka city right now because there are good facilities and they provide us good environment like a residential care. Actually, I like so much English Fantasy environment. Every classroom given AC, given AC and well decorated, and in educational environment is very good. That's why I choose English Fantasy. I hope after finishing this course, I will be able to speak English, inshallah. Thank you so much. Thank you for the timing. Allah Hafiz.